Free food po sa McDonald's. Nagawa tayo. Dito lang po tayo sa apps ng McDonald's sa ating cellphone. Bills. View all. Hanap tayo na scan po natin siya. Takeaway. Add to order. Order. Today. Complete order. Confirm. Ngayon po, kuha naman tayo ng French fries. Scan lang po natin ito. Yay! Tapos po ito resibo ng mojito, watermelon mojito at French fries. Takuha na po ko ng burger.
Pwede yung ice cream last pa.
One is French fries. Can you give me some? I'll take out. Yes. Ano? Libre. Walang bayad. Free food. From McDonald's. Free food from McDonald's. Yay! Enjoy.